What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to put to the test probably one of the weirdest chainsaw available right now on sale. This is right here, Black & Decker alligator powered looper. Whatever that means, but it looks like those scissors, but inside of it there is actually a chainsaw. Check this out. At first I was like, what is that? Till I really looked into it close, I was like, wow, I have to show it to you because I never seen anything like that, and it's just an interesting tool. Let's see what it does. You have to plug it in into the cord, so that way you can't really go way out there unless you have some kind of generator. But there's a little tool. Let's pull it out. Oh wow, look at this packaging. This is good, especially when you order stuff online. You want it to be tight like that. Look at that. So it comes with the empty bottle and this tool, and let's see how it works. That's how you plug it in. Interesting. There's two buttons down here, and wow, look at that. There's a tiny chainsaw right here. Check this out. This opens as well. Very good. If you look at it closer, you got a chainsaw down there. If we open this, chainsaw down here, so you got these clippers to maybe grab a branch and cut it down. So you can grab a pretty big branches, as you can see. But everything inside here looks like a regular chainsaw. This is right here where you would add on oil. I love interesting tools like that. So I guess we're gonna put some oil inside here and fill it up in there. I got here chain oil. It's been working out for me really good. Very happy with that oil. So this opens up like that, and I think we just stick it into it and just push some oil in. I might have overfilled a little bit of oil. No big deal. I'd rather put more than less. It's not gonna hurt it. Shouldn't anyways. Okay, and let's go put it to the test and let's see how to operate it. If you press this one, nothing happens. Nothing happens. If you press on both of them, it sounds really fast. But at the same time, when it spins, it can be blocked, so that way you're not gonna hurt anybody or yourself by mistake. So it's like very safe chainsaw. And on this side, it protects it from a kickback. Alright, let's try to cut a bunch of branches and see what happens. Obviously, you're not gonna cut logs any bigger than this right here because they won't even fit. Okay, let's see how well it's going to cut. Wow, that's insane. So far it's cutting so well. What happened? I got unplugged. So maybe make a knot over here. This is why I like battery operated chainsaws, but this will do as well. I wish they had an option for battery operated. Very nice. This is actually very satisfying. Love it. A tiny mini chainsaw. Okay, let's see how well it does with the thicker logs. And you see, when I'm cutting it, I don't have to worry about chainsaw hitting the ground because this thing is already on the floor. You see? Not gonna cut anything. You see? Not gonna cut anything. So grab it. No problem. Even with the bigger log. Obviously cutting a little bit slower the bigger logs, but it has no problem. But I do like it that I can cut them on the ground. check this out. Oh, that looks like a dinosaur. I love it. Pretty dense and decent size. Cuts it really well. So you need to clean up a bunch of small pieces. I think this tool could be really useful. Look at that. This is perfect firewood right here. Let's do a couple more close-up shots. Okay, grab it all the way. Very nice. Then you can shake off the dirt. Once in a while you do have to oil it up. But let's see how well it's gonna cut on the ground right here. Grab it like this. Almost all the way. I guess I could flip it over and finish it off. As you can see, those logs can be a lot bigger. Too big, I mean. This is nice. You can even set it down like this. Look at that, beautiful. So as you can see, I wouldn't have a problem cutting it like this. Wow, very nice. One thing for sure, I wish it was battery set. Honestly, with ease. They're definitely pretty safe to use. Obviously, you need to common sense. Not bad. Look at that. For this tiny chainsaw, we cut through this little branch pretty fast. What was it, 15-20 minutes? I have a little pile of firewood. Perfect. Okay, let's see if it's going to cut through a little bit bigger logs. Wow, like nothing. Sweet. Look at that. This one was already cut. This one is pretty. Wow, when it's dried, it's even easier. That's insane. Look at that. Wow, this is so satisfying. I love chopping firewood, and honestly, this thing makes it even safer. I like it. Obviously though, use common sense. Don't be swinging with this thing. This side here is apple. Let's see how well it's going to chop. Almost all the way through. This one did good. This one needs a little help on this side. Nice. Check this out. Very good. Wow. Well, fun little tool, don't you think? Definitely one of a kind. Looks like a little scissor. Definitely a lot of fun, and I really love the design. It's a little bit hard to cut on the ground because I have to be bent over the whole time to be cutting it because it's kind of short. So maybe it's meant to like trim in the bushes, or I mean branches of the trees, so that way you don't have to bend over as much. But at the same time, it is a great safe tool to cut the branches on the ground. Just a little bit of annoying that you have to be bending over a lot. But overall, I love it. I'm definitely keeping it as like a souvenir item to just show off. Very, very unique and weird chainsaw. But anyways, let me know in comments below, what do you think about this video? Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And of course guys, subscribe to my page channel, links in description.